back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an over-the-moon themed backdrop that you can use for any celebration, prom or graduation. Here we go. I am very excited to make this over-the-moon themed backdrop. So excited. So excited. As you guys know, prom season and graduation season is around the corner, and I have been racking my brains thinking, what am I going to do for my grads this year? So I went on Pinterest and I started looking at themes. Nothing. Anything that they have for graduation, I was just like, that's been done. That's tired. I don't want to do that. So I ran into this over-the-moon theme and I thought it was perfect. So promish. So promish. I mean, technically you can use it for any celebration and it is absolutely beautiful for weddings, but this one I'm dedicating to my grads. So let's get started with the video. Alright guys, I'm going to start the project by making my moon out of foam board from Hobby Lobby. I am using this foam board because it's bigger. It's 40 by 32 inches and it's also more resistant. It's harder and more durable. So that's the reason I'm using this one instead of the one from Dollar Tree. I'm also thinking that this is not going to be big enough. Here I have 4 that I'm going to glue and tape together, but I think I may need 6. I do have a 5th one somewhere around the house, but I may have to run out and get another one. Let's put it together first and then I shall tell you how many for sure. All right, so first I wanted to show you where I got the idea from. There it is. Look at that. Found this on Pinterest and I thought it was lovely. Most of the pictures are for weddings, but I thought this would be great for proms as well. Okay, or if you just wanted to take pictures with your prom date at home, I think it's just fabulous. I love it and I think you're gonna love it. So let's get started. I'm going to be using hot glue to glue my foam boards together. Now I'm going to use transparent packing tape to secure the boards together, and I'm going to be placing them on both sides. So here are both panels together. I already glued them and put tape around them. So it's basically the same process as you did with them individually. And as you can see, it's pretty big, so I don't think I'm going to need to add any more boards, so 4 it is. Next, I'm going to be drawing my moon, and I'm going to mostly freehand it. I am going to use my 48-inch table to help me with the circular part on this side, because if I make it as big as the table, it's going to be too small. But I think I can use it at least to help me make this side right here. All right, so wish me luck. So there is my final drawing. It's a hot mess, but that is the best I could do. I am not worried about it, and I'm not worried that it's not perfect because I'm going to add texture to it. So that gives me a little bit of peace. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now and cut it with my craft knife. Next, I'm going to be adding shrink wrap to my moon. It's going to help me add texture. I didn't want it to look so flat and, you know, and kind of plain. So I decided that I wanted to add texture, and I thought shrink wrap would be great. And also it's going to help me cover some of the imperfections on my moon. In order to melt the wrap, you are going to need a blow dryer, and all you have to do is set it on high and just go over it and let the heat melt it. Just make sure that you tuck this part behind the moon. And here is a close-up of the shrink wrap melted with the blow dryer. As you can see, it created some craters, which was the look I was going for, because as you know, the moon has craters, and I just didn't want it to be flat. So this is working out very well. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest off camera because this does take a little bit of time to do. Make sure that you hold it tight when you are blow drying, because if air gets underneath it, it's just going to expand again, okay? I'm probably gonna have to add a little bit of hot glue at the bottom to secure it, but this is perfect. All right, so all of the texture is on. Now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to secure it with hot glue. Now that my moon is nice and secure, I'm going to go ahead and paint it in metallic silver, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of silver glitter. Now I'm going to move on to the stool for my prop. This is going to be what's going to hold the moon together. It's going to hold it up. And this is also where the person is going to sit to take the picture. But one thing though, I must warn you, this is not a stool. This is an end table that I had left over from a previous project. All you have to do is screw the legs on and, you know, put it together. It's very easy. But this only holds 50 pounds. So I don't really recommend this, you know, for you guys to buy. I would recommend you guys going to a thrift store, you know, Goodwill, somewhere cheap that you can get a stool from, and, you know, use that. I'm using this because this is what I have, and although I'm not 50 pounds, the limit for this, I'm going to go ahead and do it and take a picture on it. Yeah, but don't try this at home. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and screw it together, and I'm going to paint it in black. Since the color scheme is mostly silver and black, I'm going to go ahead and paint the table in black. Next, I'm going to be attaching the moon to the stool, aka my side table that you're not supposed to use. I'm going to be hammering some small nails. Okay, these I got from Dollar Tree. It's like a kit. If this could focus, you'll be able to see it. There it is. So basically what I'm going to do is just hammer it to this area right here. Okay, so the moon is over the bench, and I have my coffee table to help me in the other end. So it should look something like this, okay? Make sure that it doesn't go over the bench. I could go like this a little more, but that will be pushing it, and I need more support than that. So I'm going to have to go with this, okay? All right, let's do it. All right, so I think that should be all right. Let's get it up so we can see how it looks. Okay guys, this is it. This is my over the moon prop for my over the moon backdrop. Right now it looks pretty plain, but it's going to look amazing once I start decorating. I love that I decided to add texture to it because it looks like an actual moon. This is perfect for weddings and definitely perfect for proms or anything grads. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my over the moon theme backdrop and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's going to prom soon or getting married soon or just will love this theme, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.